Okay, this is the second video that I'm going to take, and I included this down here. This is with the first video software. What you have to do is hit done, and then, oops. Okay, once you hit done, it like puts your video into that, which is Screencast O Matic, and then you can add your different places where you might want your video to go. So if you click that, it gives you more options. So I'm going to hit upload to YouTube, which I've already, the first time you do that, it'll ask you for your login information to YouTube. It gives you, I have more than one, so I'll just keep it on my main one. And you can add the description and stuff, or you can add it later after you've uploaded it. So I'm going to hit publish and high quality so that you'll be able to see it. Okay. So while I'm uploading that one, then I'm going to stop this video that I'm now making and see if it came out right at all, which is questionable. And I'll try to add them together in YouTube.